Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly and concisely, I will show you how to change your address on Rakuten. So firstly guys, on the top right, hover your mouse over this button right here, click on accounts. After that guys, you need to go to your account section, right, and in here we need to choose our account settings. After that, you will have, as you can see, a how you're getting paid section, and there's going to be a text big fat check. So click on it and press select. In here, as you can see, you need to basically input your first name and last name and your street address, and you will add a new address or update a existing address very easily in this little menu. So guys, this is how it's done. Thanks for watching guys. Support the channel by liking the video, subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.